Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, and I want to do the Emini trade of the week for last week, which actually happened on Monday the 29th of November. This trade gave us 6 points or $300, and it lasted 3 minutes. So it was a quick trade, nice, quick, made some money trade. So we got short right up here, and it's always great when we take zero heat. And in cases like this, hindsight makes me look like a genius. I took a perfect entry, but having perfect entries, you're going to have way more that you do take heat on. So I don't like to look at that. You may have the question, how do you enter right here? Well, it's because the market trades up and this is the bid. The ask is up here and the ask just doesn't trade, only bids. And then it just sells off. That's how you enter a trade like that. We had a trade like that today. It's just very, very nice. But anyway, I wanted to talk about this just because it was a great fast trade. So when we took the trade, it ran down, gave us our first target hit, and then started to run lower. And it did take out this stop, and we were looking for a lower price. And then it started to roll over and head upward, and we actually ended up getting out of the trade down here. So we took a short at 28 even at 1040, first target at 26, so 2 point first target, and then we got out our remainder at 46.24. So 4 points on that one, 6 points total. If you're looking at it commission wise, commission for this trade is probably less than $3, depending on your broker. And that's why I say that. It really does depend on your broker. But most likely it's about $2. So very, very negligible. Out of a $300 trade, what is a couple bucks? Let's say worst case scenario, $3. So you made $297. That's profit. Net profit. So just wanted to highlight that a little bit. And then as price did roll over, I do want to look at that, and if I come over, you see price actually did go higher. The trading system that I teach, it teaches you how to read the market. That's what I do every single day. I read the market. I know where price, or no, nothing's 100%. I have a great idea, usually, sometimes, maybe 60%, 70% of the time. I have a good idea of where price is headed at. 30% of the time, 40% of the time, price is going to do its own thing. That's where the phrase "setting on hands" comes in. Nobody's going to predict the market 100% of the time. If they did, they'd be a quadrillionaire. They'd be the richest person on earth. It's just not possible. If anybody tells you that they do, well, I'll show you a liar. Nothing's 100%. If you can predict the market 60% of the time, I think that you're pretty good. Pretty good. If you can predict it 40% of the time, that's good. You just wait till you see stuff and take it. That's much easier said than done. And that's why I also have a trading mindset course, because it's something that really helped me. But anyway, I don't want to get off on too much of a tangent here. I'm a little bit under the weather, so skipping around a little bit. It is what it is. But just wanted to highlight this trade. It took 3 minutes, 3 minutes to make $300. Is that the norm? Not really. Usually you're going to spend 2.5 hours watching the markets. And at the end of that week, you're up about 15, 20, 25 points. That's what trading is about. Trading is not about day to day, how much money did you make this day, what did you make that day. It's good to look at, but overall, where are you at the end of the week, the month, the quarter, the year? That's what matters the most. Day to day fluctuations, it is what it is. Anybody can get lucky one day, 2 days. But at the end of the month, the quarter, the year, that's where it really matters, because that's where those profits stack up. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of today's video. You can always leave a comment below if you have something to say. In the description box, I do have a contact form if you want to contact me that way. Hit the like button if you like it, dislike if you don't. With that, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you in the markets. Thanks, and take care.